Hey everyone, so quick video before I have to go out to the city. This is going to be a little introduction to folds. So folds is pretty much a technique that Mr. Wiggles made popular, but he called it magazine. So that was his thing that he did, and like pretty much everyone started doing it after Mr. Wiggles popularized that stuff. So folds is pretty much like a book. That's where the name comes from. Like a book is like folding and opening. So like a magazine, it's like also same kind of thing. You open the page of a magazine and it's like you're opening and closing, like folding. So that's the concept of a fold, and we use it with tutting. But I want to show you some different ways to do this. So you can use it like a grid, you can create patterns, and you can also do like scales as well with it. So I'll show you some like patterns and stuff you can do. So first, put your hands like this together. So the back of your hands touching each other. Now, when we open and close, we're going to be doing it like this. So this is a little bit different already than the other way I showed you of folding. So we open and close like this, and now we can come up, and we can come together like this. So now we can open and close like this way here. We can also open and close like this, from here to here. So we're still folding, but it looks like this, right? So we're folding in a different direction. Okay, like up here. And we can go all the way around and then together like this. From here, what we can do, we can turn to the side. We can do like a diagonal kind of fold where our arms come up on a diagonal and then they fold back together here. From the front, it looks like this, and we can change directions with it. So we can go from here all the way to here. Okay, so it looks cool if we do it like that. We can also, from this same position, we can open it and close it like this. So we're folding on this angle. We can also fold like this. Fold, fold. Same kind of thing from up here. We can bring it down to the prayer, like the prayer top. We can fold up. We can fold down. We can invert the hands downwards, and then we can fold like this. And while our hands are touching again, we can do here. From here, we can come up, and then we can fold like this. So from here, we can fold, open, we can fold this way, up, down, and we can also fold in, see? So I'll give you a little thing to try. Start off here, fold up, fold to the side, come up, come down again, fold in, come to this side. Now try and fold like this. So we can fold down again. So it looks like this, right? So we're opening. We're basically doing this motion. Open, close, but down here. So we go open, close, open, and we can go all the way up again. Up, down, up. From here, we can also fold like this. Fold. So our hands are kind of like this, but we open it, we open the fold a little bit more, and then we fold up, we fold down. So this is a little bit like this. It looks like this motion here, but rather than a full kind of like open motion, we're doing like a quarter open. So the page is only like open 1/4 of the way. You think about a book, the page could be up here in a book, or it could be all the way down here. So we can go fold to here, or we can go a full fold. So we have like quarter folds, we have a full fold, like the book is fully open. And then we have different ways of doing that as well. So like I said, from here, we can fold in and out. We can fold like this. Quarter, full fold. We can turn it this way. We can fold like this. Okay. Again, we can invert it forwards. We can come down. invert it backwards. A little bit harder to do like that. We can come up and then try invert it, and then we can fold in and out like this. Fold up, fold down. Maybe you want to come back into the middle, fold, open, fold. Or we can do like a cool little cause and effect type of fold and go fold, open. And it looks like the arms hitting each other. So we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And another way of folding we can do is like from this position, we can go fold like this. So now we can open and close the folds like this, right? So we can go open, close, open, close. So a fold can be like this here, opening that book all the way, closing it, 2 hands at once, 1 hand at a time. Just moving 1 hand, we can fold in a different direction, maybe down this time, up, down. So if you think about folds like this, there's actually so much stuff you can do. Like even like I was saying, from this position here, the ability to fold out give you so many angles, right? Because you can go like here, and then you can like start tutting with it. Okay. So we can add folds in at like any point we want, really. We could be like, maybe in this position here, fold, open, fold. We can go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe here, 1, 2. Into this position, 1, here, fold, here, fold, here, fold, 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 here, here, fold, fold, maybe down this time, fold, fold, open, fold, here. And what else we can do, there's a little grid or a scale that I like to use. So it's taking that same technique, and now we can add this angle in here, right? So we're going to go 1, 2, and we're going to fold this way. So we're going to go from here, and we're going to fold in. Okay? So this time we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if we want, we can keep going inside as well, and then we can go inside, up, up, down, down, out, out, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, down, down, up. We can go down, down, up, up, here, here, here. Turn it in, down, up, up, down. So if you notice what I'm doing, I'm going fingers forwards, and we can fold this way, or sometimes I'll just change it up and I'll be like fingers backwards. So you may feel like you're getting stuck, but you're not. And Mr. Wiggles also used it with like tracing as well. So he would also be like in a position like this. He'd be like down, slide across, and then he might occasionally do this kind of stuff as well. So like tracing, and he would also like come up here, boom, 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 boom. So you can also add that kind of stuff with it, with the folds as well, okay? So you get in and out, do some tracing with it, play around with it, but there's just so many cool techniques you can do. Another thing, that's just hands. I made a previous video like how you can do like 3D folding and stuff. So in this concept, we can fold with our arms as well. Our arms could be like here, 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 and we can also go up. We could be like here, here. Okay, and we can also do like a full fold. We can go up, or we could even turn it around like this. So we can like fold around in like a nice cool angle. Whoop. Maybe like this. One. It's been a while since I did this, so give me a sec. Yeah, like that. So we can go around in the circle, make it more 3D. We can also do like fold down here. Maybe like a fold up here. Fold. 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 So using these squares, we can come up to the corners, 4 corners. Open, close, or fold. Maybe we want to turn it this time. Fold, boom, boom, boom. Down this time, open it down this way. Here, here, here. Change arms, 1, 2, this side, down, up, boom, boom, boom. Maybe turn it again. So we can also go from here, in front, up, maybe like backwards. So if our hands are in the middle, we can go like to any side we want. That's the good thing about having your hands in the middle like this. We can choose this side to open it up to. If our hands are up here, same kind of thing. We can also go backwards this time. So now we can go behind us. Boom. And legs too. Your legs can do folding as well. So I'll give you just a little example here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If you can also do this, you can go like maybe like boom, 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 and we can also turn with that. 1, 2, 3. Make it more 3D. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops. 5. Boom, 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 boom. So our whole body can do this folding concept as well, which is really cool as well. So yeah, definitely play around with that, and I think I pretty much covered all the basics for folding except for what I covered in the previous video. But for now, this should do. Give it a go.